3311 or visit www.melege.org. Sponsored by Entebbe Municipal Council, Uganda Wildlife Education Center, Uganda Wildlife Authority, Civil Aviation Authority, Uganda Tourism Board, Rock Telecom, Ovidian Uganda, 106.5 Energy Radio, Protea Hotel Entebbe, and UBC.
Hey, Kajambo. Where are you going with the family? Oh no. We are on our way to the polling station. The Electoral Commission is displaying the National Voters Register. And I need to make sure my name is on it. And Sophie here wants to confirm her voter details. We are all warming up for elections together.
What about these young men? I can see you.
These ones are no longer boys. They are now men. Last election, they were too young to vote. But now, they are ready to vote.
Mukasa, you have really inspired me. Now let me also go home and pick my wife so that we can check the details in the register.
Okay.
See you on the polling station.
The National Voters Register will be displayed at your polling station from 25th April to 15th May 2025. Please do not miss this chance to confirm your polling station and your voter details. Report the dead for removal from the register and those who appear more than once. Every vote matters. This message is brought to you by the Electoral Commission of Uganda.
When you want to relax your body and refresh your mind, welcome to Hotel La Confidential, Aroa's premier destination for luxury and comfort. The only hotel in Aroa City offering a serene atmosphere, breathtaking scenery. Come and discover our exclusive wellness club with packages that include a fully equipped gym, a rejuvenating sauna, steam bath, and a great sky blue swimming pool. For events, our state-of-art conference halls and versatile event spaces are perfect for hosting shows, wedding receptions, birthdays, and more. Come and enjoy our cinema hall and unisex saloon, all designed to meet your entertainment and grooming needs. Bring your family and let your kids splash around in our beautiful kids water park. We are located on Aroa Pakwachi Highway in the heart of Aroa City. Don't wait. Visit us on www.hotelconfidential.com or call us on 0761 688 181.
Le roi Balthazar fut un grand roi qui régnait sur les terres de Nubie durant plusieurs siècles. Son royaume était entièrement sous sa gouvernance alors que le roi Balthazar fut trahi par sa reine qui aurait rencontré un étranger. Tout était détruit. La famille royale fut toute exterminée. Mais dans la foulée, les guerriers maroutes, sorciers de la cour royale, a pu sauver le prince Ramsès.
Marut, put this child down at once. We finish with this family.
No! You know you cannot kill the prince of Nubi. Not taboo!
En le ramenant vers les terres du sud, où les résistants de la grande bataille se réfugiaient.
People died for sacrifice, because without sacrifice, there is no kingdom.
Live from UBC Studios in Kampala, this is Good Morning Uganda Extra.
Welcome to The Extra. Thank you so much for being with us on UBC TV. Robert Chirabo Nyonyitono on this wonderful Monday. And this morning, we're going to be discussing issues regarding insurance. Now, with me, I have an official from Equity Bank, Uganda. You may have heard of it. In case you haven't, be rest assured the guest I have will give you more about it. But what we are discussing today is the Equilife Hospital Cash Insurance product. Remember, insurance, in terms of insurance, there are various products. We call them products. Now, today we want to discuss Equilife Hospital Cash Insurance, what you need to know about this. But I'm not the best person to discuss this. I have Sylvia Nancy Mbe, who happens to be the Bank Assurance Supervisor, Life Insurance. You're most welcome, Sylvia.
Thank you, Robert.
Now, to begin with, when we talk about Equity Bank, there are so many banks in Uganda. How unique, what makes Equity Bank a bank one should trust? Just to begin with, to break the ice.
Thank you so much. Equity Bank is a bank that focuses on our customers, but most especially our customers at the lower side of the pyramid. In Uganda, what we call omuntu wa bulijjo, but we also serve our customers in the different segments. We serve the SMEs, we serve the corporates. Yes, please.
So that is basically Equity Bank. Now, when we talk about Equilife Hospital Cash, help our viewer also understand what is this product of insurance that Equity Bank came up with.
Thank you so much. Equilife is an insurance product that we designed to support our customers, like I mentioned, on the lower side of the pyramid, in circumstances where they are unwell. For example, someone gets sick, they are admitted. We all know it gets a bit hard when you're just from hospital, you're still weak, at home recovering. So we want this customer to have some money on them as they recover, to get back on foot, to go back and do their errands.
So what does it exactly target? Is it looking at me in hospital, me outside hospital?
Thank you so much. It looks at you after hospital. You have been hospitalized, for example, for a couple of days, say 5 days, and you have been discharged. So each night that you spent in hospital, we pay you 50,000 per night. Yes, please.
Wow, that is very interesting, because like you rightly said, most of the times hospitals drain you. You come from hospitals, those old days, of course, people would come to check on you, and they would come to check on you with something to give you. Today, even in hospital, people passing by is enough. They may not carry anything for you, but at least you thank them for their time that they have spent. Now, let's also look at who is eligible, who qualifies for this service.
Okay, maybe before we look at who qualifies for this service, we all know that, yes, our urge as people that take care of our sick ones is to go back with them at home. But there are circumstances where life takes the unexpected turn and we have lost the battle. So this Equilife product comes in with a last expense benefit of up to 3 million to support the family with a few arrangements as they prepare for the send-off of their loved one. Now, to go to your question of who qualifies, all our account holders aged 18 to 75 years. So we are targeting our existing customers, but also our prospective customers. So what it takes one who doesn't have an account with Equity Bank yet is to open an account. And this account can be opened from our Equidukas. So you go to the Equiduka, you have the account opened, and you are onboarded on Equilife. Yes, please.
Okay, good, you've mentioned of the age, and this one must be already banking with you, or someone who's going to start banking with you. But how does this thing work? What am I saying? When you tell me if I have an account with you, then each night I spent, you said up to 5 nights?
Up to 20 nights.
Up to 20 nights is 50,000. Now, quick mathematics there, not so bad.
Yes, that's up to 1 million
Yes, not
Uganda
so bad.
shillings.
But help me understand, if I have an account with Equity Bank, I mean, how are things done? You deduct? Is it a corporate responsibility? The bank is giving back to us in Equity Bank, and therefore we should rush and go there? Is it, help us?
Okay, thank you so much. We charge 3,000 per month for those benefits. Yes, so our esteemed customers just need to ensure that their accounts are funded every month. The moment they have subscribed, they ensure the account has money that can be picked. It is an inbuilt standing order. The moment someone starts, every month the system picks the 3,000 as we have agreed. Yes, please.
Now, my account may not have money to a tune of 1 million. When I'm hospitalized and I eventually get home, so what do you do? I could have instructed the bank for the 3,000, but what is on my account does not make that 1 million. So how is that done?
Okay, what is required from our customers is to have money on the account to enable us or the systems to pick the 3,000 per month. The 1 million that you are talking about is your benefit in terms of hospital cash that you qualify for the moment you on board. But like we earlier mentioned, each night is equivalent to 50,000 shillings. So times 20 nights, that makes it the 1 million. It is not that your account must have 1 million Uganda shillings for you to qualify for this product. No, the 1 million is a benefit to you, our esteemed customer, the moment that you on board. However, your account must have some money on a monthly to enable us get the 3,000 per month. Yes, please.
A very interesting one. Every time we talk about insurance here in Uganda, for reasons best known to those in that business, seeing through an insurance claim in my beloved country is not an easy thing. I don't know globally how it is, but for Uganda's case, I don't want to mention the various services because these are not offered by Equity Bank. It is now Equity Bank is bringing us EquiLife. But claiming this as a client of the bank, how easy is it? I may say, well, I've been in hospital, here the document, what do I do like as proof? Because I know these are requirements. Banks are very serious, they're not willing to just give money that way.
Okay, thank you so much. The claims process for this product is very seamless. One needs to confirm they have been hospitalized. And what that means is we shall need an admission form, treatment notes, and a discharge form. Okay? Then the moment you submit that, you give us up to a maximum of 3 days to have your claim paid out. So Equity Bank partnered with Liberty Life Insurance to bring this service to our customers. So part of the claims process, our customer can still visit any Equiduka, regardless of where they onboarded. For example, if a customer onboards from Kabale and maybe they are hospitalized in Arua, they just look for an Equiduka in Arua and they lodge in their claim. However, we also have self-service platforms where we have an AI and there is our number where you send everything, all your documents, and you are served. Yes, please.
Okay, so it seems that very easy. But of course, on your side as a bank, evidence, today we have so many private hospitals. Are there specific hospitals? One will tell you, we even have clinics that admit. Not everyone may go for a bigger thing. I may have a clinic on the village, and actually I have serious malaria. I'm hospitalized, and I spend my 4, 5, 6 days there. Even when discharged, the doctor comes and says, you're good to go home.
Okay. Thank you so much. We encourage our customers to visit licensed health facilities. As long as the facility has a license from the Ministry of Health to provide medical services, you are good to go. Yes, please.
Okay, now let's also move to see, you said the period is a maximum of 3 days?
Yes, for processing the claim, and it is paid, and the customer has 7 days to intimate or to inform of their happenings. Say if they were admitted, within those 7 days after discharge, they can inform us through the different Equiducas, but also through the numbers that are available. Then they have up to 3 months to provide claim support documents. For example, like we said, that life can take the unexpected turn. We lose our customer. So you might find that the next of kin is taking time to come through to bring the support documents. They have up to 90 days to do that. So in case of death, there are a number of documents that can be submitted. One is the NIRA death certificate to confirm, but we also have instances where we lose lives at home. Yes, someone slept maybe not well and they thought they would make it to hospital in the morning. Unfortunately, they don't. So an LC letter that confirms is also sufficient to support that. But we also have instances where lives are lost through accidents. So in such instances, we will need a police report that confirms death.
Now, let's look at affordability of this. How affordable is it?
The product is very affordable. Like I earlier mentioned, it is only 3,000 per month. So the customer ensures that the account has 3,000 per month, but they are free to use this account for any other banking needs. For example, one can save their money there. They can come to the bank and ask for a loan on that same account. But in terms of cost, it is only 3,000 shillings per month. Yes, please.
Now, earlier on you said how one can claim. This, for how long has this product been around so that we can assess if it has been of any impact to communities and persons?
Thank you so much. This is a new innovation that we came up with. We launched it on the 3rd of April. It's a new innovation, but feedback we get from the market, from the interactions so far, the audiences are telling us it is one of a kind that has been long awaited. When you look at the kind of segment that we are focusing on. For example, if we look at the border riders, that mother that works in Senakawa or Owino market. So you find that in instances where they are not well, it is a bit hard for the families to cope up with life, or when they have come home, they are still weak and they need some money on them to support them as they reorganize themselves to go back and work.
Now, also help me know what the bank is doing to educate, to ensure that the public is aware, most of people in rural areas. I know there are a number of them, you call it EquiCash. When I'm moving around, I see those like
Equiduca.
Equiduca, yes, the
Yes.
Equiducas. So to make sure they have the right information regarding this, because one thing that is common in our country, little information, things that have gotten to do with money, someone wisely comes in and takes advantage.
Okay, thank you so much. The bank has conducted a countrywide training of all our Equiducas, so our customers can comfortably visit and they will be served. But also all our all our branches are customer touch points, so still customers can visit our branches and branch staff in the branches will support them. Yes.
Now, a quick one also relatedly, one watching us this morning who saves, who banks with Equity Bank, and one who doesn't, but maybe would love to bank with Equity Bank. Give us some benefits. Why for sure a person will be interested in Equi Cash? Because it may look obvious, yes, when you get out of hospital, you don't have money, you're weak, and you can get, and each night is counted, so the longer you spend, the more you get. But also remember in hospital, the longer you spend there admitted, the more you pay. So now I want to look at the benefits. If I'm admitted, and every night in hospital the bed is maybe, I was in Zambia, it was, okay, that was high end, 400,000, but also they have, I think, admission of 70,000 per night. Now, if I'm coming out, let's go, you say the bank looks at the amount of maybe the admission would be 70,000 every night. Now, I want to, of course, when you're sick, you don't want to, you want to go home. But maybe if I spend 20 days in hospital, even doesn't match with the aim I'm going to get. So why should I bother? What are those benefits?
Thank you so much. Like we earlier mentioned, this product is there to give support to that customer that has been hospitalized and they have gone home. Yes, like we mentioned, still it is up to 20 nights. But what the public needs to know is that this product is not to pay hospital bills. It is here to support us. Because when research was done, it was found out that people struggle. And we all live in these communities. People struggle after they have been discharged. You find maybe where they were working, even the stall is no longer there. So what happens then? So this product comes in to give them some financial relief of 50,000 per night spent in hospital.
Okay, well, we are still discussing issues regarding EquiCash, but just to let you know that anytime we'll be going to King Caesar University for their 5th graduation ceremony that is taking place today, and that is what you can see on your screen there, King Caesar University's graduation. Now I just have a few minutes to summarize because we must go to that live event, and let me just have your parting shots, Livia.
Thank you so much. First and foremost, we appreciate all our customers that bank with Equity Bank, that insure through Equity Bank. Maybe to mention all our Equity Bank branches, we have 50 of them countrywide. Any customer can visit and ask about insurance. They can have their insurance needs addressed, even aside from Equilife. But we appreciate our customers so much, and we call them to come and on board on this unique product. Yes,
well,
please.
Thank you so much, Slivia, for your time, and of course our viewer. Thank you very much for being with us from 6:30 till now. Equilife cash hospital insurance is something you should go for, because when you're out of the hospital, there are things, most of for us the men, you're home, they'll still ask for sugar. You're home, they'll still ask for this. Now if you have this money coming in, little but much in that aspect. So please make sure you log on to that 3,000 every month, but it will save you so much. Let's move to, that is the graduation, the 5th graduation of King Caesar University that is going on. See you.